Namaste and welcome to you all, my dear students. I hope all of you are safe and fine there with your families. Okay, today I am present here in front of you with a new topic, that is our festival. And today we are going to address grade 2 students. So my dear students, before starting today's class, let's know what are we going to do in this class. Are you ready? Okay, I hope all of you are very ready there, right? So today at first we will go through words and meaning, which will help you to enrich your vocabulary power. Okay, after that I have a chart over here, and with the help of chart we will have a discussion on the topic, that is our festivals. Okay, and not only that, to make you clear about the topic, I have collected some of the pictures too. Okay, do you like to see the pictures? Yes, I know obviously you like it, isn't it? And after that we will have a simple exercise, that is match the following. Okay? Yes, my dear students, now let's be ready for the today's class. Okay, before entering to the today's topic or today's content, let's do some revision of our previous class. Okay, my dear students, do you remember what was our previous class all about? Let's think. Okay, I know that you have remembered it, right? Our previous class was all about respect our neighbors, right? And from those classes you have already learned, isn't it? Who are neighbors? Why are they important to us? Right? And why should we respect our neighbors? That all thing we have already done, isn't it? And I am sure that you have remembered it. You haven't forgotten all those things, right? Okay, my dear students, let's enter or let's move forward about today's topic. Yes, as I have told you in the beginning, first of all, we are going to know some of the words with their meanings too. So, are you ready? Yes, I hope all of you are ready there. So, my dear students, let's see here some of the words as words and meaning. Okay, so at the first, here is a word. Can you see it? Okay, my dear students, let's repeat after me, alright? Okay, so here W-O-R-S-S-I-P, worship. Once again for you, W-O-R-S-S-I-P, worship. Have you heard this word before? Yes, you might have heard this word, right? So, what's the meaning of worship? Let's know it, okay? Expression of deep respect. The meaning of worship is expression of deep respect. That means respecting anybody. That means we worship God. We used to have deep respect towards God, so that we worship. Right? Okay, the next word is here, S-O-L-Y, holy, B-O-O-K, book, holy book. Okay, what types of books might be that? Is that your social book? Which is in front of you? Okay, may not be. So, let's know the meaning of holy books, okay? Books dedicated to God. Okay, my dear students, you have to understand by holy books means such books which is of God. Those books which are dedicated to God, they are called as holy books. Clear? Okay, then the next word is also there, C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E, celebrate. Once again for you, C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E, celebrate. Okay, then what's the meaning? O-B-S-E-R-V-E, observe. Right? Celebrate means observe. Okay, the last but not the least word is there, P-E-R-C-E-I-V-E, perceive. Once again for you, P-E-R-C-E-I-V-E, perceive. Yes, and the meaning is to understand, or to see also we can say, right? So perceive is to understand something. Okay? Yes, I hope now you are clear with the 4 words which I have written here on the board, right? Okay, very good. Then after, my dear students, we have here a chart and we have got a new topic here, that is all about our festivals. Do you like festivals? Yes, obviously every students, not only students, every people, even me too, like festivals. Why? Is there any reason? Okay, there are many reasons. So let's know, okay, what's the festival? Why we like to celebrate it? Isn't it different types of festivals, right? So let's see the chart paper and let's know something. Are you ready? Okay. So here, my dear students, you can see at the chart, the topic is our festivals. Are you getting? Our festivals. Okay, festivals is a very common word for you. You might have heard many times. Okay, so here, what are festival? Which time is called as festival? Let's know it, okay? Festivals are the time of celebrations in our communities. Listen, my dear students, festivals are the time of celebrations which might be done in our community, in our family, times and again, right? Okay, such time of celebration is festivals. Okay, different festivals are celebrated by different people. My dear students, you have already known about your neighbors, right? And around your house, different type of people might be living there, isn't it? And those people might be celebrating different types of festivals. You might have observed, you might have seen around your house, your neighbors celebrating different festivals. And in some of the festivals, you might have taken part too, right? Okay, they are occasion of happiness in our life. Listen, festivals are such occasions, such time which bring happiness in our life. Okay, so here some of the example of festivals, few examples of festivals are written here. Though there are lots of festivals celebrated in our community, right? So here few examples are Dasai, you may know it, yeah? Tihar, Holi, Chhat, Eid, Teej, Christmas, Buddha Purnima, etc. These are the few examples of festivals which are being followed in our families, in our neighborhood. Clear? Okay, very good. Now, we used to celebrate different festivals. Okay, why we need to celebrate festivals? Some points are there. So let's move forward it. Alright? So here we need to celebrate them. Means we need to celebrate festivals to bring happiness. Listen the first point, okay? It is very important. We need to celebrate different festivals because it brings happiness in our life. You might have noticed during the time of the Dasai, Tihar or other festivals, all of the family members, they may be very much happy, even you too, right? Okay, so next point is here to preserve our tradition. We need to celebrate festivals to preserve our traditions. Traditions means our culture which has been forwarded or transmitted from our forefathers, right? So they are very important for us. Traditions are our identification. That means we will be known as Nepalese with the help of our tradition too. Yes, so celebrating festival is a good tradition. And if we do not continue celebrating festivals, then what happens? We may not be able to preserve our tradition, right? So we need to celebrate festival to preserve our tradition, our culture. which is our identification. Alright, my dear students. Okay, other more points are also there. Let me tell you. Next one is to make good relation. Okay, festivals are important to make good relationship with our friends, our relatives, our neighbors too. Do you believe that? Yes, it is true. Because during the time of festivals, we might be inviting our relatives, our friends, our neighbors, isn't it? And we may be sharing our happiness. Because of that, there will be good relationship among the people. So that also festivals are important to us. Right? And the next point is also there, to maintain cooperation in the society. Cooperation, do you understand? That means help to each other. Helping each other is cooperation. Listen, my dear students, during the time of festivals, isn't it? Your parents might be going to others' house to help them. Yes? And even in your house, whenever you are celebrating some festivals, your neighbors might be coming there for help. Isn't it? Then there will be helping with each other. That means the cooperation in the society will be developed. People of the society start helping each other. They will have good relationship among each other. Right? So, these are the few points which we can see why we need to celebrate festivals. Okay? So, my dear students, now you know about the festival. Why should we need to celebrate festival? Right? Now, let's know some of the examples. How we used to celebrate few festivals in our society, in our family. Okay, are you ready? So here you can see a table. In first there are some of the festivals names written. Yes, you might be known to these festivals. And in the second, things we do. What special things we used to do during these festivals time. Right? And in the last column, let me tell you, my dear students, in our tradition, okay, in our society, there are some special food which are eaten during some of the festivals. So here in the last column there is food we eat during the festival time. Okay, so shall we move for it? Yes, very good. Let's see it. Okay, so here at first there is the main festival of Hindu religion. Right? Okay, that is Dasai. Very good. So, Dasai is the festival celebrated by Hindu people, isn't it? And what things they do? Fly kites, put tikka. I am sure all of you are celebrating Dasai festival, isn't it? Yes? Okay, during that time we are very, very happy. Even all the family members, they are very happy. Right? And the special things, what we do there during the Dasai? Yes, we celebrate Dasai by flying kites, putting tikka, isn't it? And receiving blessing with our elders. Not only that, we might be collecting money too after putting tikka. Right? Okay. So next one, what special food is eaten by people during the time of Dasai? Okay, that is meat. Okay, we might be eating other delicious food too, but the special food for Dasai is meat. Right? Okay, then the next one. There is Chhath. Chhath is also a festival. It is especially celebrated in the Tarai region. The people who are living in Tarai, they used to celebrate Chhath. Right? And what things they do there? Have you seen any of your neighbors celebrating Chhath? Yes, some of you might have seen that. Yes? Okay, let me tell you, during the time of Chhath, the people who are celebrating Chhath, they used to worship sun, rising sun and setting sun. They used to keep fast and they used to worship rising and setting sun. Okay, and what the special food there about Chhath? So here you can see special food is there, that is called as Thekua. Okay, it is a food prepared by the people especially living in the Tarai region during the time of Chhath, right? And the next one is also there, Tihar. You know it and most of you like this festival. Do you like or not? Tihar festival? Yes, obviously you like, isn't it? Even it is the best festival of mine too. Okay, so during Tihar, what things we do? What things people do to celebrate it? Okay, we can call Tihar is a second festival, second main festival of Hindu religion, right? So during that time, people worship not only God, they worship a crow, dog, cow, ox, and even sisters used to worship their brothers for their long life. And during the time of Tihar, goddess Lakshmi is also worshipped as a goddess of wealth. Have you seen your mother worshipping during Tihar? Yes, very good, isn't it? And what is the special food that is prepared in Tihar? Everyone might know it, isn't it? It is sel roti, right? Okay. Now the next one is Eid festival. Eid is the festival celebrated by Muslim people. Okay. So here during the time of Eid, Muslim people, they used to have fasting, right? And they used to go to mosque. Do you understand mosque? Okay. Like Hindu people, we go to temple to worship God, isn't it? In the same way, Muslim people, they used to go to mosque to worship their God, right? So during the time of Eid, Muslim people, they go to mosque and they read Quran. What is Quran then? Have you heard this word? Okay, let me tell you. Quran is a holy book of Muslim people. Like we have Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, isn't it? Different books we Hindu people have, different holy books. In the same way, Quran is also a holy book of Muslim people. Okay, and what about the food? What type of food they used to eat during Eid? Okay, different delicious food also they might be preparing during Eid, and the special food is sewai, right? They used to eat sewai and different other delicious tasty food during Eid, right? And the next one is there. You might be observing this too. Okay, that is Christmas. Do you know who celebrate this festival, Christmas festival? Yes, Christian people, mostly they used to celebrate Christmas. Have you seen how they used to celebrate? Yes, they used to decorate Christmas tree with different lights, flowers, isn't it? Chocolates, sweets. Have you seen Christmas tree? Yes, you might have seen Christmas tree, yes. During the time of Christmas, Christian people, they used to decorate Christmas tree. They used to invite their friends, relatives, and they used to have different delicious food, isn't it? And they used to wish each other as Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, and they remain very much happy and they celebrate Christmas. Right? Okay, my dear students, these are the few examples of festivals, how the people celebrate it, isn't it? What things they do during the festival and what types of special food are taken during these festivals, right? So, now let's move for some of the pictures. To make you more clear about our festivals, I have collected some pictures too. Are you ready to see it? Okay, obviously, yes. So, let's move to the first picture here. Can you see it? Okay, can you guess which festival that might be? Okay, this is Chhath festival. You can see there in the picture, some women, they are worshipping sun there, right? Okay, so next one is also there for you. Okay, which festival is this? Can you say me? Yes, this is a picture of Tihar festival, right? And the day is called as Bhai Tika. when all the sisters used to put tika to their brothers, isn't it? Different colors tika to their brothers and worship God for their long life. Have you been doing that? Okay, see the next picture here. Which festival is this? Can you guess? Yes, this is Eid festival. Two Muslim people are there, isn't it? They are hugging to each other and saying for best wishes. They are wishing each other. Yes, and even back of them you can see one mosquito. This is Eid festival celebrated by Muslim people, right? And the next picture for you. Okay, I am sure you know this festival name. Yes, it is all about Christmas festival, right? You can see there Christmas tree decorated and even some Santa is there who is about to give gift to the children, right? Okay, and the final picture for you, that is all about Dasai festival. Very good. You can see some of the children, they are playing swing, isn't it? And there is a temple of Goddess Durga, which is worshipped during the time of Dasai, right? Okay, so my dear students, I hope now you have understood many things about our different festivals which are celebrated by different people in our society, right? Okay, now I have got a simple, very easy exercise for you. So, will you help me to do that? Okay, so let's move for exercise, okay? So, here my dear students, exercise written, that is match the following. You can see it, okay? And this side some of the festivals names written, and this side their matching words written. So, let's match it, okay? So, here first one is Dasai. We have known many things about Dasai, how to celebrate, what we do during that time, isn't it? Many things has been done, right? So, here you can see this side, Dasai. Alms the poor, alms means help, right? Decoration of tree. Do we decorate tree during Dasai? Obviously not, okay? Put tika. Do we put tika? Jamara and blessing of your elders during Dasai. Do you get that? Yes, obviously. So, let's do matching over here, okay? Sorry. Dasai, put tika, right? Okay, the next one is here, Tihar. Let's think, which will be here? Alms the poor, decoration of tree, worship Goddess Lakshmi. Is this? Yes, you might have seen your mother, your elders, isn't it? Worshipping Lakshmi during the time of Tihar, as she is known as a goddess of wealth. Decorating your house, lighting everywhere, isn't it? Okay, so Tihar is worship Goddess Lakshmi, right? Okay, next one is there, Losar. Have you heard this festival? Yes, Losar. Buddhist people used to celebrate Losar festival. So, where it will be? Alms the poor, decoration of tree, and next one, go to stupa. Yes, very good. During the Losar, Buddhist people used to go to stupa and they used to pray God or Lord Buddha, right? Okay, the next one is their Eid. We have known many things about Eid festival, right? So, what do people do during Eid festival? Okay, that is in the first, yeah? That means they help the poor people, okay? So, the next one is there, last but not the least, okay? That is Christmas. You know it very easily, and only one thing is left there. What is that? Okay, that is decoration of tree or Christmas tree, okay? So, here it goes here. So, are you clear? Let's do short revision, okay? Dasai, put tika, Tihar, worship Goddess Lakshmi, Losar, go to stupa, Eid, alms the poor, and Christmas, decoration of tree. Okay, in this way, we used to celebrate different festivals in our life, which brings happiness in our life, right? So my dear students, today I am sure that you might have understood many things about our festival. So lastly, let's have a short revision about it, okay? So in today's class, first of all, we have gone through the words and meaning. Yes, after that, we discuss about the topic, that is our festival, with the help of some pictures and even chart paper, right? And at last, we have gone through one simple exercise, that is match the following, right? Okay, and now it is time for homework assignment. So my dear students, today's assignment is that you have to write 5 festivals name, which might be your favorite festivals, okay? And you can make some table in this way, and you have to write things we do and food we eat according to the festivals which you have written, okay? That is all about today's assignment. Now it's time for leave, it's time for wrap up. So I will be there in next class with next topic. Till that time, be happy and safe.